Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss that the revised or the reduced syllabus of class 11th biology session 2020-21. So what will be the change? In unit first, the first chapter is the living world, and in this chapter the topic taxonomy and systematic tools for the study of taxonomy, museums, zoological parks, herbaria, botanical gardens, keys for the identification. These topics are removed from this chapter first. Then there is no change in the chapter second, and in the chapter third, plant kingdom, angiosperma, angiosperms, classification up to class, and the characteristics, features and examples. Means the topic angiosperms, that is removed from the syllabus from chapter 3rd. So that is the syllabus of unit 1st that is removed. So from unit 1st there are the two chapters, 1st and the 3rd, and these topics are removed from the first unit. Now the chapter from the second. Now from unit 2nd there are the three chapters, chapter 5th, chapter 6th and chapter 7th. So from these chapters are not totally removed, but some topics are removed from these chapters. So the chapter 5th, morphology of flowering plants, and in this chapter morphology and modifications, morphology of different parts of flowering plant, root, stem, leaf, fruit and seed. So these topics are removed. Then chapter 6, anatomy of flowering plants, anatomy and functions of different tissues and tissue system in dicot and monocot plants, and also the secondary growth. So these topics are removed from this chapter 6. Then chapter 7, structural organization in animals. From this chapter, morphology, anatomy and functions of different systems, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous and reproductive of an insect, cockroach. So a brief account only we have to discuss. So that we can say that is removed from the chapter 7. The brief account that is removed of this insect, cockroach. So that is removed from the syllabus. So that is about the unit 2nd. Now from the unit 3rd. Unit 3rd. So there is no change in unit 3rd. Now unit 4th. So chapter 11, transport in plants, and chapter 12, mineral nutrition. Both the chapter that are, you can say the complete chapter is deleted or removed from the syllabus. Chapter 11 and chapter 12. In case of chapter 15, the growth and development, only the growth topic is left. The seed germination, phases of plant growth and plant growth rate, conditions of growth, differentiation, dedifferentiation and redifferentiation, sequence of developmental processes in plant cell, seed dormancy, vernalization, photoperiodism. So these topics are removed from the syllabus from chapter 15, and chapter 12 and chapter 11 that is totally removed from unit 4th. So that is about the unit 4th. Now the unit 5th. Now in unit 5th, chapter 16, digestion and absorption, that is complete chapter is removed from the syllabus. After that chapter 20, locomotion and movement. In this chapter, types of movement, ciliary, flagellar, muscular and the skeletal system and its functions, joints, disorders of muscular and skeletal system, myasthenia gravis, tetany, muscular dystrophy, arthritis, osteoporosis and the gout. So these topics are removed from this chapter 20, locomotion and movement. From chapter 21, neural control and coordination, the name of the chapter, and from this the reflex action, sensory perception, sense organs, elementary structure and functions of eye and ear. So these topics are removed from your syllabus. So that is about the, you can say, the 11th class biology syllabus. From every unit there is some change, only that you can say some topics are removed or some topics are left in the syllabus. Now we will discuss the blueprint of the class 11th. Now the unit wise marks distribution of class 11th biology. So the theory part that is of 70 marks and there is of 30 marks practical. So unit first, that is diversity in living world, and it is of 15 marks. Unit second, structural organization in plants and animals, 8 marks. Unit third, cell structure and function, that is of 15 marks. And unit fourth, that is plant physiology, it is also of 15 marks. Then unit fifth, animal physiology, it is of 17 marks. So in unit third there is the no change. And in other units there will be the some changes which we have discussed. So that is the unit wise marks distribution. So students, now you know what will be the change or what is the change in your 11th class biology syllabus. Now according to this syllabus you have to plan for your preparation, and this is only due to the COVID-19. Thank you.